there is a method, opportunities, and motive. Malicious attacker must have these three things over there. He must know method. Method means skills, knowledge, tools, and other thing which be able to pull off the attack. So attackers should know about the method, and he must have opportunity, the time, and access to accomplish the attack. So if he needs 3 hours, so he needs 3 hours and the place to sit down and launch the attack over there. So he needs the opportunity, he needs the skills and knowledge and tools over there. So it is not only the tools are available on the market, so you need some skills, you need some knowledge on that one. And sometime the one skill you used 1 year ago might not be helpful today. Why? Because the things are updated. So all the time you get updates on your computer. Why you get update on your Windows or your other system? Because to save your system from the attackers over there. So you get a update. So you need to update your skills and knowledge and tools over there. Opportunity, the time and access to accomplish the attack. And motive means the reason why you are launching this attack. So motive is the reason to want to perform this attack against the system. Sometimes it is ethical hacking, means just for testing your system. If you are a computer professional, you need a written permission for that one. Sometimes it's bad attackers, means it can be like for personal reason, for just for fun, or just for country level, or it can be a terror level. So it can be a different motives behind this. Now look at this diagram, okay? And what do you see? Where is the threat, where is the control, and where is the vulnerability? See, this is the water.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the water. You have it. This is the wall, and there is a crack. There is a crack in the wall. See. Now you understand this diagram. What does it mean? So where is the threat? Where is the control? And where is the vulnerability? So where is the vulnerability?
But the vulnerability is this crack, I think.
Yes.
This is the vulnerability. Yeah. This is the vulnerability. Okay. Where is the control?
The control, I think, is the wall.
This is the wall. Wall is the control. Okay. This is the control for the water, so that it should not overflow. The water should not overflow on the people over there, right?
Yes.
So he notifies
this person. Yeah.
So he notifies that there is a crack. So if the water levels comes up little bit up here, so the water will flow down over there, right? So there is a threat. What is the threat? There is a threat in the wall by self. There is a crack in that one. So there is a threat and vulnerabilities that the water might overflow, and then what will happen? There is a great damage. Just like usually when floods come, so there is a lot of damages over there, right? Similarly, in a software system, in a computer system, there is some cracks. Okay, so there are some cracks. You need to find out where is the crack, so that the enemy should not exploit it. And so when the water level is high, so it can come out. Similarly, when the attackers becomes more powerful, so they can exploit the crack, and it can and they can launch the attack on us, right?